Hello and welcome again, dear students. It's Deepak Tiwari, your physics teacher. Here with a new video. Today we will discuss about the temperature and thermometers. In our previous video we have discussed about some physical quantities. Today we will discuss about the temperature and the different thermometers. Let me start the video. The temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness of a body is called temperature. Okay, when we put our finger in hot water, we feel hot. That's it is because the temperature of hot water is more than our body temperature. So it is the difference in temperature that makes the feeling of hotness and coldness, and we will measure the temperature in degree Celsius. But the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Now we need a device. We need a device which is used to measure the temperature, that is the thermometer. It is a device used to measure the temperature of the body. What is a thermometer? Look, here it is a thermometer which I have drawn here. The thermometer consists of a small cylindrical bulb. Look here, this is the bulb which is the small cylindrical, okay, and containing a liquid. Okay, I have drawn here, I have marked with a red pen here, which is the mercury or a alcohol, which may be a mercury or a alcohol. Now mercury is generally used in thermometer. Okay, the bulb is attached to a narrow glass tube. This bulb is attached to the narrow glass tube, which is the capillary tube. Okay, and the outer body of the thermometer is cylindrical in shape, so that the marking of a body get magnified, which we will easy to mark the temperature in the degree Celsius on it. Now these markings are calibrated in degrees. So while measuring the temperature, we will use the degree Celsius. Now why the mercury? The question arises, why the mercury is used in a thermometer? It has few points. Because good conductor of heat. Mercury is a good conductor of heat which absorb heat to attain the body temperature. तो मीन्स कि वो गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट है, वो ईजिली टेम्परेचर को जो उसका है वो उसको शो कर सकती है. देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ ओपेक एंड शाइनिंग. ओपेक होता है और शाइनिंग होता है, तो ईजिली विजिबल होता है. उस ग्लास ट्यूब से हम उसको विजिबल कर सकते हैं. देन इट हैज़ लो फ्रीजिंग दैट इज़ -39 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट दैट इज़ 357 डिग्री सेल्सियस. That is which provide a wide range of temperature. We will easily measure the temperature between these two reference point. Now it cannot get wet the glass. ये ग्लास को वेट भी नहीं करेगा. That's why we will easily mark the temperature of degree Celsius while measuring it by the thermometer. Now we have the different scales on thermometer. Generally we will use the Celsius. There are three scales of thermometer: the Celsius scale, the Fahrenheit scale, and the Kelvin scale. In the Celsius scale, there are the two fixed points. They are the two reference point, okay, or the reference temperature here. The two fixed points are, which is the lower fixed point that is 0 degree Celsius and the upper fixed point that is 100 degree Celsius. And the difference between the lower and the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, in the Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit, okay, and the upper is 212 degree Fahrenheit, that is 100 degree Celsius will be equal to 100 degree Celsius, and this 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Now the difference between the Fahrenheit between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point between the Fahrenheit scale difference is 180 degree. Okay, now look into the diagram I have drawn here. The Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale, it is the 0 lower, which is 0 degree Celsius, which is the lower fixed point in the Celsius scale, and the upper fixed point that is the 100. Okay, now in the Fahrenheit scale, 212 degree Fahrenheit and 32 degree Fahrenheit with the lower and the upper fixed point, and the difference between these two reference point is 180 degree Fahrenheit. Now in Kelvin, we simply use the 0 degree Celsius plus 273 degree. Okay, the Kelvin scale is based on the fact that the lowest possible temperature is 273 degree below 0 degree Celsius. Now if we are going to change the degree Celsius into the Kelvin scale, then simply we will add 273 degrees to the temperature given in degrees Celsius. Okay, now what about when we have to change the Celsius into Fahrenheit scale? Now if we are going to change the temperature degree Celsius into the Fahrenheit scale, we need this formula. This is C upon 5 will be equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. Simply by putting the value of C, by putting the value of F or C in each other, we will get the degree or the Fahrenheit. Now we have the three types of thermometer: the laboratory, the clinical, and maximum and minimum thermometer. Now let me move to the laboratory thermometer. What is laboratory thermometer? The name suggests it is used in the laboratory. Okay, it is used to measure the temperature of the different solutions or the different chemicals in a laboratory. Now reference point or the range of this thermometer is minus degree Celsius 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. It is the range in the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point of the thermometer. Now it is used to measure the temperature other than the human body. We have talked about the laboratory contents or the different solutions, the different compounds in a chemicals in a laboratory. Now the clinical thermometer, clinically it is used by the doctors to measure the human temperature, human body temperature, and the range of this thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, generally it is used by the doctors in the clinic. Now it is the measure between the short range. It is the short range, that is the 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This is because the human body temperature does not vary beyond these limits. क्योंकि human body का जो temperature है वो इनके इससे कम नहीं जाएगा और 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा. Then one question arises: the normal body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. The new normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Now let me move to the third thermometer, the maximum and the minimum thermometer. Okay, it is the thermometer which measures the minimum and maximum temperature attained during a day. Okay, सीजन में और जब हम मौसम की बात करते हैं तो वेदर फोरकास्ट कंसिस्टेंट, जब वेदर की हम जानकारी लेते हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड जो मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो इस टेम्परेचर इस थर्मोमीटर के थ्रू हम नापते हैं. जनरली that's why it is used by the meteorological department and the horticulture. Okay, it is also known as Six thermometer. Six is thermometer because the name of its inventor, that is James Six. James Six invented it in 1782. That by this is also known as Six's thermometer. Look, it is the U-shaped type thermometer. Okay, two separated temperature readings. One reading is that one and the other one is that. Okay, and the bulbs are fixed at the top of each arm. One bulb is marked as A and the other bulb is marked as B here. Okay, which the bulb at the top of the minimum reading scale contains alcohol. Okay, here A, that is bulb A, contain alcohol and bulb B contain vacuum. Okay, the other bulb is containing the vacuum, or which is the low pressure bulb. It is alcohol which measures the temperature. Okay, it is the alcohol which measures the temperature, and this red mark mercury is used to measure, indicate the temperature reading. Okay, ये जो A है, A बल्ब है, वो क्या करता है कि ये मेजर करता है टेम्परेचर, ठीक है, और मर्करी उसको इंडिकेट करती है टेम्परेचर को. ओके, देन मर्करी इज यूज्ड टू इंडिकेट द टेम्परेचर. व्हेन टेम्परेचर राइजेस, देन द वर्किंग ऑफ दिस इज व्हेन टेम्परेचर राइजेस. ओके, जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है तो इन बल्ब ए में जो आपका एल्कोहल है, ठीक है, जो एल्कोहल है वो क्या करेगा, एक्सपेंड कर जाएगा. ओके, एक्सपेंड कर जाएगा, और जब ये एक्सपेंड करेगा तो इस मरकरी को इस तरफ की ओर पुश करेगा, इस मरकरी को इस तरफ राइट हैंड साइड में पुश करेगा बिलो इट. ठीक है, तो व्हेन द रिजल्ट विद द रिजल्ट द मरकरी राइजेस, तो इसकी वजह से ये जो मरकरी है ये राइज कर जाएगी इनटू द अदर आर्म, दूसरे आर्म में, एंड वी कैन रीड द करस्पॉन्डिंग हाई टेम्परेचर इन बल्ब विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी, बिलो द बी, दैट इज मार्क्ड हेयर. ठीक है, जब इसमें टेम्परेचर राइज करेगा ये मरकरी, ये अल्कोहल एक्सपेंड करेगा, और ये एक्सपेंड होने के बाद ये मरकरी को पुश करेगा और मरकरी इसकी रीडिंग में यहाँ पे शो होगी, ये अप साइड जाएगी, ठीक है, विच मार्क द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर। सिंपली उसी तरीके से जब टेम्परेचर फॉल करेगा तो ये जो एल्कोहल है प्रेजेंट इन ए वो क्या करेगा, श्रिंक कर जाएगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर जाएगा। एंड टू फिल द गैप, और उस गैप को फिल करने के लिए जो मरकरी इसके नीचे है वो क्या करेगी, ये वापस ए की तरफ, इस ए की तरफ जब ये श्रिंक कर जाएगा तो ये मरकरी जो अभी तक हाई टेम्परेचर ऊपर गई थी यही अब वापस लौटेगी ए की तरफ आएगी, विच मेजर्स और गिव्स द टेम्परेचर विच इज लो टेम्परेचर। ओके, एज अ मरकरी मूव्स टूवर्ड्स बल्ब बी और ए, जब ये मरकरी ए या बी की तरफ जाती है तो इट पुशेस टू ए स्मॉल स्टील मार्कर, हियर इट इज द वन स्टील मार्कर इज देयर एंड द अदर स्टील मार्कर इज देयर। ये जो मार्कर्स हैं ये रिकॉर्ड करते हैं फारदेस्ट पॉइंट, ठीक है, जो कि मरकरी से कितना डिफरेंस है, ठीक है। नाउ सिंपली it is all about the alcohol which shrink or contract or expand, and the mercury indicates the temperature difference. Okay, that is all about the today's video. We have discussed about the temperature, the SI unit which is the Kelvin, the different scales of temperature and the different thermometers used by the different contents. Now that's all about this session. Hope you understood the basics related to that video. I will be coming back with a new part. Till then, take care and bye bye.